In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Signal or create a Signal account. So first of all, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Signal and download the Signal app. And once it's downloaded, open it, then tap continue. After that, you'll have to enable permissions, so tap on enable permission. And now choose your country and then enter your phone number. And once you've entered your phone number, tap next. And now it will send a verification code to your phone number. So as you can see, I didn't receive any code. So if you also didn't receive any code from Signal, tap on the option I didn't get a code and then tap on call me instead. And then it will call you on your phone number. So simply pick up the call.
169655. Your Signal verification code is 169655.
And just like that, it will tell you your code and you can simply type in the code. Now enter your first name and last name and tap save. And finally, create a PIN for your Signal account. And remember one thing, not only you can create PIN, but you could also create alphanumeric PIN by tapping the option create alphanumeric PIN. And now you can create your own password, but for now we'll simply choose a numeric PIN and tap next. Now re-enter your PIN and again tap next. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Signal account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.